Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about how to find the solution of ask. The first thing we need to know that ask should be greater than number 0 because we have the natural law in here. The first thing we need to divide both sides by s squared. We have s to the power of negative number 2 f and s. Later that we multiply both sides by negative number 2. Next we have the formula in here. So I will put negative number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And the next one we have the second formula. So capital 8 that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we can apply the formula in here. That is about Lambert W function. So because we have negative number 2, so that means we have two solutions. So the first one, that's about W of negative number 2 equal to W of this one. And the second one, that is about W of negative number 1. Negative number 2. So for this one, we got Fn of s to the power of negative number 2. Similar for the second one. And now we can apply the formula in here. And we have negative number 2 f and s, similar for the second one. Next we divide both sides by negative number 2. Next we put about e for the both sides. Similar for the second one. This one that is about s, this one that is about s, and that is the final answer.